Apple will take a step toward that goal with the next iPhone 15 Pro's thinner bezels. The iPhone 15 and next-generation watches will be unveiled by Apple in a few short weeks. The new selection will serve as another step toward the company's ideal iPhone, even if upgrades to the Apple Watch will be less significant. The idea of an iPhone without display borders, camera cutouts, or other screen-interfering elements has long been a fantasy of Apple designers. Apple will make another move in that direction this autumn with the iPhone 15. With the release of the iPhone 10 in 2017, the procedure got underway. On this model, the screen for the first time stretched all the way to the top and bottom edges. Apple will obtain the ideal iPhone this year thanks to two of the 15 line's major enhancements. The notch will be replaced by the dynamic island on the regular iPhone 15 models. The border size surrounding the display will be reduced to 1.5 mm from about 2.2 mm on existing iPhones using the new method, which will be used to make the Pro and Pro Max displays. This new process is known internally at Apple as low injection pressure over molding, or LiPo. LiPo was originally used in the Apple Watch Series 7 to make the device's bezels thinner and enhance the size of the display, and Apple intends to ultimately add the functionality to the iPad as well untold. In a hands-on video from back in March, the iPhone 15 Pro's glass panels were first shown. A mock-up of what the new displays would seem like was published by Star Ice Universe. Dynamic island cutouts are anticipated to be added to the ordinary iPhone 15 and 15 Plus, while the 120Hz advertising displays will only be available on Pro phones. The switch to a titanium frame, which will be stronger and lighter than the stainless steel implementation currently employed since the iPhone 10 days, is the second significant change anticipated for the iPhone 15 Pro series. The 15 and 15 Pro lines will get a series of other new capabilities in addition to the upgraded displays, making this the most significant update since the device received 5G connectivity 3 years ago. And genuine periscope lens will only be available on the 15 Pro Max, which will have a 6x optical zoom, in the revised cameras for the 15 Pro series. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.